So today we're looking at hardwood floors with pet damage. And this is pet damage that came as a result of area rugs, and this young man right here, you're seeing, who loves to play, but you can see all the damage that was hidden under the area rugs from urine. And our attempt today is we pulled the area rugs and the pad, and we are in the throes of trying to clean the urine off of this. We've cleaned the area rugs. We'll be reinstalling that, putting new pad in. But at this particular stage, I wanted to document and show you, prospective customers, the risk of not looking at the damage that can be created by pet urine going through area rugs and through a rubberized pad onto hardwood floors. So this is another area that we are working on, and as you can see, we have Bruce over here with the dog, watching him, wanting to play, but Bruce is hand cleaning some of the more damaged areas that are resultant from the pet urine. And the dog, here's the machine we're using. We're using a Bona deep clean machine that we will clean the surface and rinse the surface as well. And as you can see, you get to see the difference in removing the urine. Again, this was an area that was covered by area rugs and with a pad underneath, but much like the other area I just showed, it was heavily damaged as the pet urine soaked through the area rugs into the hardwood floor.